Hey there, Taurus! Welcome back to ABC Zodiac, the place where the stars and your wallet align. If you're here to figure out how to turn that earthy Taurus energy into cold, hard cash, you're in the right spot. We're diving into careers, industries, and wealth building tips that play to your strengths. And yes, there's a good chance we'll talk about food and luxury. Because let's be real, who appreciates a bit of indulgence more than you? So sit back, get cozy, and let's talk about how Taurus can build that bank account. Taurus, you are the ultimate homebody of the zodiac, so it's no surprise that real estate is calling your name. You're a natural when it comes to investing in something as solid and stable as property. Real estate allows you to build long-term wealth, and you get to use your fantastic eye for value. Picture this. Instead of spending weekends scrolling Zillow and daydreaming, you could actually be out there buying, selling, or renting properties. You know how to spot a gem, whether it's a charming fixer-upper or a potential Airbnb gold mine. Real estate is a perfect match because it allows you to put your money into something tangible, something you can touch and feel. And for a Taurus, there's nothing more satisfying than watching a smart investment grow over time. You might even enjoy the process of making improvements and increasing the value of a property, all while securing a steady income stream. Plus, there's no rush. Real estate is all about playing the long game, and patience is one of your superpowers. Just make sure you're ready to put in the work, whether it's learning about property management or doing a few DIY upgrades. Imagine that. A Taurus with a toolbox, building an empire one brick at a time. If there's one zodiac sign with a natural sense for money, it's Taurus. Banking, finance, or even becoming a broker could be incredibly fulfilling for you. Working in finance doesn't just mean sitting behind a desk counting cash. It's about strategizing, making solid decisions, and watching those investments grow. You're cautious but confident with your financial decisions, which makes you perfect for a field that requires both careful planning and resilience. Think about it. While others are jumping on trendy stocks and volatile cryptos, you're more likely to take the slow and steady approach, which actually pays off big in the world of finance. You could see yourself as a financial advisor, helping clients plan for their futures. Or perhaps as a stockbroker who knows how to spot a stable investment from a mile away. In banking, you're likely to climb the ladder fast because of your dedication and your natural understanding of the value of hard work and consistency. You may not be the quick flip type, but you're definitely the wealth accumulation type. That's what makes you such a powerhouse in finance. If there's one thing Taurus knows, it's good food. You're all about savoring life's pleasures, and you have a knack for understanding flavors, quality, and presentation. Why not turn that appreciation into a money-making venture? Whether it's running a high-end restaurant, creating a successful food blog, or becoming a personal chef, the culinary industry is full of opportunities for someone like you who truly gets the value of a well-crafted meal. And let's be real, Taurus, you'd make a fantastic food critic. Imagine getting paid to eat and give your honest opinion. Sounds like a dream, right? You could build a following on Instagram or YouTube, reviewing the best dishes and sharing your culinary adventures. People trust your taste, Taurus, because they know you're not going to settle for anything less than amazing. And hey, who knows? Maybe you'll end up with your own line of gourmet products or even a cozy farm-to-table restaurant one day. As a Taurus, you have an innate sense for quality and luxury. Some might even call you a connoisseur. Working in high-end retail, luxury goods, or even the fashion industry could be a match made in heaven. Whether it's managing a luxury brand, opening your own boutique, or even selling fine art, you have a deep understanding of the value of beautiful things and the patience to find the right buyer. You know the difference between expensive and worth it. And that's a skill that's incredibly valuable in luxury retail. Imagine guiding clients to choose the perfect statement pieces or managing the marketing for a designer brand. With your trustworthy vibe, people know they can count on you to help them invest in quality over quantity. And for you, this career path isn't just about selling items, it's about offering people something special that will last. So if you have a passion for beautiful things and a love for high-end quality, why not turn that eye for luxury into a business? It's an opportunity to work in an environment that feels as refined and comfortable as you are. Taurus, let's not forget your earthy side. Agriculture and sustainable farming could be a natural fit for you, blending your love for the land with your sense of practicality. Imagine owning a vineyard, running an organic farm, or even starting a small, sustainable business that offers fresh produce to local markets. For you, this wouldn't just be a job, it would be a lifestyle. Plus, it's a great way to invest in something real, something that grows over time. Literally. Agriculture is a field where patience and dedication pay off in the long run, and there's no one better suited for that than a Taurus. You could find fulfillment in nurturing crops, caring for livestock, or even making artisanal products. In a world that's becoming increasingly digital, there's something so grounding about working with the land. And Taurus, you thrive when you feel connected to nature. Taurus, if you're good with your own finances, and let's be honest, you probably are, why not help others get their money in order? Personal finance coaching is a career where you can guide people to make smarter financial decisions, save wisely, and invest in their future. Whether it's one-on-one coaching, online courses, or even starting a YouTube channel with practical financial advice, this could be a rewarding path for you. People trust your grounded, no-nonsense approach to money management, and they're willing to pay for your advice. Picture yourself breaking down budgets, discussing the power of compound interest, or explaining how to save for a down payment, all while staying patient and encouraging. As a Taurus, you're not just about making money. You're about stability and security. And that's exactly what people need when they're trying to get their finances in order. You'd be the go-to person for anyone looking to get a solid financial foundation. Taurus, with your appreciation for beauty and quality, a career in art, design, or craftsmanship could bring you both fulfillment and wealth. Think about it. Whether you're creating jewelry, designing furniture, or working in interior design, you have a natural eye for aesthetics. And people are willing to pay top dollar for high-quality, well-crafted pieces. Imagine launching your own Etsy shop filled with handmade items, or perhaps opening a boutique showcasing unique artwork and decor. Your products would stand out for their attention to detail and the sense of durability and comfort they bring to people's lives. Plus, in a world full of mass-produced items, your ability to create things with true quality and care will make you stand out. And let's face it, Taurus, nothing feels better than seeing your work appreciated by others. So, there you have it, Taurus. The financial pathways where you can truly shine. Whether you're investing in real estate, running a luxury boutique, or getting back to nature with sustainable farming, the opportunities are endless when you lean into your strengths. Remember, wealth for a Taurus isn't just about accumulating money. It's about building a life of stability, comfort, and enjoyment. So pick your path, stay patient, and let your natural persistence lead you to success. And hey, don't forget to treat yourself along the way. After all, you're Taurus. You know how to enjoy the finer things in life. And that's it for today's Wealth Guide. Be sure to subscribe to ABC Zodiac for more insights, and share this video with your favorite Taurus who's ready to build their empire. Until next time, keep working, keep building, and keep enjoying life. You've got this.